subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Early Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 leaks and all the features we want to see. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 could be the best smartwatch ever for Android users. Although the rumored wearable is likely several months away from launch, we have some idea of what to expect based on leaks and our understanding of the Galaxy Watch lineup. Samsung's next-generation smartwatch will look to build on the success of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, a lifestyle timepiece with all the key fitness features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, plus fall detection, FDA-approved ECG readings and more. How could the Galaxy Watch 4 improve? For starters, it's believed to get blood glucose monitoring, making it a direct rival of the upcoming Apple Watch 7. Which is also rumored to get the feature. The next Galaxy Watch could also make a major software change. According to a leaker with a fair track record, Samsung could switch from its own Tizen OS to Google's Wear OS platform. As we get closer to Galaxy Watch 4 release date, more information is sure to surface. We won't know an exact Galaxy Watch 4 release date until more intel on the next Samsung Unpacked event is either leaked online or announced by the company itself. Samsung has debuted a new smartwatch at its annual summer keynote for 3 years in a row, so we expect it'll stick to precedent this year, too. What's less certain is which smartphones the Galaxy Watch 4 will launch beside. While the Galaxy Watch 3 debuted with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, Samsung is reportedly committed to the Galaxy Note line, but it remains to be seen if the Galaxy Watch 4 will debut along with the Galaxy Note 21. The Galaxy Watch 3 starts at $399 for the 41mm model. The larger, 45mm model starts at $429. For reference, this is the same pricing structure as the Apple Watch 6. However, the Galaxy Watch 3 with LTE adds $50 to the base price, whereas it costs an additional $100 for the latest Apple Watch with cellular. Considering the Galaxy Watch 3 brought a price bump compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch, we don't expect Samsung will hike the cost again. Actually, the next Galaxy Watch could be cheaper than the Galaxy Watch 3 if it's a new version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. As one of the best cheap smartwatches we've reviewed, the Active lineup is a slimmer, more fitness-focused version of the Galaxy Watch. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.